Hi everyone, I'm Yoshi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. This week, we have been exploring some helpful tips to support your organization's HR department. Now, last time, we discussed some reasons why having an internal referral program is truly advantageous to your organization. If you haven't seen that video yet, please click on the link below to watch. Now today we are going to have a closer look at the Odoo Referral Game application to motivate and incentivize your employees to find the best recruits possible. If you are familiar with the original Mary Poppins, she sang a song that starts off, "In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. You find the fun and snap. The job's a game." Odoo has taken this philosophy and has created an app that has turned the task of recruiting into a referral game. Let's take a look at this fun and novel referral game that you can use in your organization to recruit the best people. All right, so we're gonna hop onto my database and go over some of the fun features of the referral application. Here is the superhero themed main page. We see the user or the employee who is playing. We also see that the jobs that we are hiring for and the ability to email anyone from our network directly from my dashboard. The main objective here is to have and accumulate as many points as possible that can then be redeemed for prizes in your organization. Now that's pretty cool. In this example, we see that the prizes include a beautiful mug for 100 points and Amazon gift cards for 750 points. But you can decide whatever prize you want for your company. Now, if we go back to the main page, you will notice that I have already accumulated 100 points from referring my friend Sandra, and also ongoing referrals that I have submitted in the past. You can also follow the progress of your referral easily and the points you accumulate for every new stage in the hiring process. By turning the referral process into a fun, interactive, and really cool game, your employees will be more engaged in the hiring process and create a positive environment of friends and talented former colleagues. Encourage your employees to be the superhero in the growth of your organization. If you would like to know more about the Referral Game app or any other HR application, get in touch with us or with one of our business analysts who will be more than happy to go over in greater detail the applications that we have looked at this week. As always, thank you so much for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it all!